So recently someone asked me how I make better decisions, specifically financial decisions. And so I wanted to share with you guys a really cool thought exercise or mental model that I've been playing with that's really been helping my wife and I make really great financial decisions. And it's a very simple question that we ask ourselves before we make a purchase. Question goes like this: if not this, then what? Let me walk you through how that works. What we do is when we're looking at making a purchase, we ask ourselves, if we don't spend that money on this, then what will we do with it? Because ultimately, money sitting in a bank account is not going to make you any happier, whereas spending on something else or an experience or giving the money away even might make you significantly happier. So we just ask ourselves the question, if we don't spend this money on this, what could we spend it on that would give us a better return on investment in terms of our happiness or in terms of better life satisfaction? If we can think of something or find something that will give us more happiness and satisfaction, then we don't make the purchase and we go with that other thing. But on the other hand, most of the times, we can't think of something that will give us more joy or satisfaction than whatever it is we're considering purchasing. Now, this especially works for really big purchases such as a new apartment or investing in a new property or potentially buying a new car. And I think you'll find that it's a really, really great exercise to tune yourself to what the higher purpose of spending and money should be, which is not just to acquire more stuff or more money, but to buy yourself more happiness and more pleasure through making wise purchases or giving the money away in a way that brings you satisfaction and joy. Hope that gives you value and joy. Thanks for watching.